Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to be making some trading videos, see if we can get the best deal. See if we can finally trade off this cat. Let's see, trading super cat for trading super cat for gem. Trading super cat for gem. How much is a super cat worth? Let me just search it up real quick. Okay, we already got some offers. How much is Super Cat worth in Pet Simulator X? That's less. Let's buy 3 billion. Yeah, 8 billion now. Before it was 20 billion. Okay. How much is the flopper worth if I could? Hey, okay. What? Hey, what? No, only this. Okay, so we need to find more. Nobody is willing to trade a good offer. They want 7 million for this. And get out of the way, Sammy. 13 mil. Okay, hello, sir. Hello, sir. I said hello, sir. Hello, sir. Offer for my super cat, baby. Offer for my super cat, baby. Come on, can you please offer? Offer for us. Wait, and oh no, thank you. Oh, is that thank you? What does that mean? Oh no, thank you. I forgot. Oh. Okay, well, I need to find guys who can offer for this. Trading. No, I don't want those. Those are. Wait, how much is Rave Crab, by the way? So the Rave Crab is worth 1.5 million. Ice Cream Gold, 3 billion, so that's 4 million. And the Keyboard Cat is worth 1. No, so I'm overpaying. I'm overpaying in value still. Still overpaying. So nope. Find people who look like they're rich with gems. What's that pet? Oh, the bird agony. I just want to find people who are willing to trade full value for it. Right now, the price of this has gone down. from? Are you kidding me? This is the worst feeling. I ever had a Rudolph, which I need. Silver Stag that I need. North Pole Wolf that I need. Are you kidding? Oh, traveling! Even though I don't even have enough to buy it. Me and Isabella are rushing to the hook, but don't even. No, if I had spent those on enchanting. No, not the normal ones. No, if I haven't spent those money on enchanting. Oh, no, I finally. Okay, let's turn. Let's show the pets off. Okay. Let's turn shoulders off so now I can finally see better. Oh, yeah! The year has over 10 bee gems. The year has over 10 bee gems. The year has over 10 bee gems. I also want to trade with someone. I just want to make a good deal with someone. I don't want to overpay, and I don't want them to overpay. No! What? No. Are you kidding me? Trash, 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 trash. People are not offering for this. This is gonna be the scary. They want 8 more. Fire! Sammy! 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 Apple for cat. No car. Apple for cat. Good treat, Sammy. Treat, Sammy. No, David. Where's Sammy? I forgot about it. Selling pixel. Okay. No. Oh my god. What? Can someone just offer me a super cat? I don't care if you have the mythical pet. Wait, my pet is in. Wait a second. So technically. Sorry guys. But oh my god. I just want someone to trade me. Just offer. Ugh. Can someone just offer? There's everybody here. Sammy. No, I don't want that. I don't want that. No. Offer. Please. Offer, please. I just need it. Come on. You have flopper. No, I just want gems. No, I just want gems. I don't have the flopper. No, I want it. Who cares? Are people gonna give? Is this guy gonna? What is it? Let's have this. Great, people. No. I just want someone up on this. Oh, you're under us. Come on. Come on. Health chest mimic value. It's not even a health chest mimic. David. What the? No. No. Hacker. Hacker, 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 hacker. Are you kidding me? A big mascot. Oh, come on. I just... No. No. Where's that good? Too defensive cat. Where's that hacker? Oh my god. A Luke duck. Give me something good. I just want someone to offer for this. It's been like... I'm not making good trades. I'm so not making good trades right now. I'm... Who? How they be jump? More than a billion jumps. Come on. Wait. For a second, I thought something. Come on. Fine, I'll take anything about 5 billion. Fox. Just no, I don't want a super corgi. Wait, how much is a super corgi even worth? Super corgi, super corgi, super corgi, super corgi. No, that's 4 billion. That's only 4 B gems. It's not worth. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. No, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. No, it's not worth it. exclusives. Add exclusive now, Fox. Traveling merchants. Okay, I don't care. I just want to find good offers. Fox did have pretty good things. Let's try this guy. Nobody. Let's try it. Last time, can you offer something more? Super Corgi? Yeah? 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 You're short, but 6B. You're short by 6B. Should I accept this? Should I? Should I accept this? Fine. Fine, I'll accept this. I'll accept this. I'll accept this. How much is a DM pixel even worth? How much is a pixel even worth? 200 million at best. I'll take that, so. No! No! They wanted me to make me overpay so much. I was just overpaying so much. Like, so much. What, are you kidding me? Box. Super Corgi. What? Those are the 2 billion gems. Oh, keeping a close eye on that. Pixel, 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 pixel. Rainbow, rainbow, and I'm ready. Keep a close eye on the gems. And keep a close eye on that exclusive. I'll do that. I'll do that. I'll do that. I'll do that. I'll do that much. Fox! I'm the one overpaying, you know, Fox. Fox. I'm overpaying. Fox, I'm overpaying. Fox, I'm overpaying. It's over. Fox. Fox. I'm overpaying you so much. I'm overpaying. overpaying you. I'm overpaying you. Come on. Come on, I'm overpaying you. How do people not know that? I'm overpaying him like way too much. Okay. Work off the magic. Put. Well, you can't see that because like you said the magic. Okay, now put that. Now put the other guy up. Now put the Super Corgi. It's 3 million gems. And I'll do that. No Diapixel. Ugh. Corgi. Gems. And good. Corgi, gems, and good. Come on, I'm literally overpaying right now. I'm literally overpaying. How much you willing? How much you willing? How much you willing? I just want to know how much he's willing to do. I just want to know. Slow money! Stability. Okay, I'll say 3B. What is this guy doing? Yeah, Corgi. Okay, good. I'll do that. I'm overpaid by 1 billion gems. No way. Not going to though. Come on. He's probably thinking about it. He was like, oh, that fuck steamer. Where's Offline Forever quit? I want him. this guy got healed. No, I'm trading with Fox today. Fox! I'm trading with Fox. I'm trading with Fox. Where is that Fox? Wait, how much is Nature Dragon? How much is Nature Dragon? 3 billion gems, so they're short by 5 mil. I just want someone to ask. Preston! Oh, Flappa, I got this. One second, Preston? Oh, it's fake Preston. Okay, more. No, I don't want to keep Corgi. No, Big Papa Preston. No. No. Can you offer? Can you offer? Can you offer? Preston. 22 exclusive for you. Doesn't scam it, just saying. Okay, Big Papa Preston. Big Papa Preston. No. No, 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 no. You offer for my pet. You offer for my. Preston! Preston, where are you? Preston! Preston! Action, go! No, why is my hoverboard so unstable? Preston! Do you get away from me, Preston? Where's that turning, Preston? Mommy! I'm not sure it's Mommy. Big Pop Preston! Mommy! Mommy! Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy? Mommy! Where's Mommy? No, it's Preston! The Mommy lives in. No! Where's that fox? No fox left. Trade every person in sight. Can I? I'm trading with him. I'm trading this guy away today. No, I don't want this. I was gonna stand here. Where in the world? A VIP. I just want. Today I am trading this guy away. I am trading for Dragon. What is that? No, you need for Demon. Today I am trading this guy away. Ah, somebody! trading everybody I see. Trading everybody I see. Trading. Come on, get away. Huh? The value is 8B, but I take 5B. I'll accept his friend request. Today I am trading this guy away. I have no idea. Trading super cat. Trading super cat. Trading super cat. I am getting rid of this guy today. If I do not trade him away. Yeah? In 100 years, maybe? Yes. Should I trust this guy? Yeah, when I make it very bad, so may as well. Okay. A sand. Wait, Zhendu. Oh. What's your best gonna take? Oh, they're probably pets out here. No. Come on. B-U-U-R. Burn! Burn! Well, we got 2 points and we got away. I don't like cans, it's are trash. So yeah. My bank is very trash, but he left. But no, I have to trade this guy away. I have to Lucky Cat. No! How much is a Lucky Cat worth? And a bunch of these trash pets. How much is a Lucky Cat worth? $8 billion gems. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that. I'll do that. Did we just trade something good? Guys, we are making a good trade right now. No! At the Lucky Cat. At the Lucky Cat. At the lucky, no! At the lucky cat. This guy's trying to scam me. The lucky cat is 8 billion gems. So, the super cat. Okay, good. Keep a close eye on that cat. Better not be duped. Did I just make a good trade? I did it. No. Now, trading lucky cat. Trading lucky cat. Where's the lucky cat? There he is, trading lucky cat. Trading lucky cat. Wait. I'm gonna trade. Wait, so that means I finally traded away the super cat. Did that just happen? I finally traded away the super cat for a good offer. I just traded away the super cat. Oh yeah! I finally traded away the Bentley super cat. Now I got these pets hanging around here. I got some DM Pixel. So I'm probably back to my old stats. Yeah, ha. Wait, it says rainbow coins, 2 enchantment. Thank you guys so much for watching this journey of trading away the super. Let's trade away the lucky cat, maybe. Hey! I'm gonna say hey. What? Sorry, guys. Wait a minute. Never mind. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. Hey. Can you? Well, I got still a cat I traded for, but it's a lucky cat. Let's trade noob. Let's see what people would ask for this lucky cat. Nope. Wait! Sorry, guys. Wait, I'm gonna end this video right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and sub, and I'll see you next time. Bye.